Let's make the best green bean recipe. This is going to be grilled green beans. I got these French green beans from Aldi. I love that they come in a nice pack bag that I can do so many things with. Now, with traditional green beans, you always want to snap the ends or cut the ends so I can be sustainable. I cut the ends and then I put them in a freezer bag and I'll save it for later to make some vegetable stock. But that's what I'm going to do here. Do you know the benefits of green beans? Green beans are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin A. They have heart health properties, cancer prevention properties, great for weight management, diabetes, and more. So it's so great to always include any vegetable within your lifestyle, but green beans are just so good and easy to make. So you might as well make this amazing recipe. This is perfect for the summer. So I cut these up. Obviously, I just opened it before I clean. It makes it a little bit easier. So that's why I'm putting it in the green basket, because that is going to be the basket that I use to clean. After I have everything all cut up, I clean really well. You really want to go through and check everything, even if it's in a bag, and dry it out. Once dry, I use a grill pan. I got this from Aldi last year and spread it out. Now with this recipe, this is optional, but I love to add red onions. Red onions are going to add flavor and more nutrients that you just don't want to miss, unless you don't like onions or you're allergic to onions. Once I have that all cut up and clean and dry, I add avocado oil or olive oil. Today I used avocado oil. I make this recipe so much, but today I use avocado oil, and you want to mix that in really well. Now, the trick that I learned when it comes to putting these on a grill is you want to add your seasonings at the end. You're going to get the perfect flavor. Also, you're not going to burn the seasonings before your green beans are done cooking. I had an extra shishito pepper in my garden, so I threw that on there. That's why that's like randomly on there. After that, we kind of mix it up. My husband's the one who's putting it on the grill, and just keep an eye out on it. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes depending on the texture you like. So that's why it's not like a set time. I like mine's done with a little bit of crunchiness. I don't want my green beans too crunchy, and I don't want them mushy. So really perfectly right in between. You want to look for it to be like slightly charred. And then also you can tell that it's a darker green and a darker red. Look at that as we zoom in. So you don't want them completely burnt. Some of the smaller ones obviously got cooked a little bit longer, but you just want a nice slight char on there for perfection. And then you're done. So once they're done off the grill, I bring them inside, and then I add just a little bit of garlic powder and reduced sodium adobo. So reduced sodium adobo is going to be my salt. So if you guys don't know, my name is Nijya, and I'm a registered dietitian, and I love to make sure I do low sodium things for you guys. So you could add any type of salt you want. I just love to do the reduced sodium adobo, and then I mix that up really good and make sure that each piece is covered. When a lot of people say they don't like vegetables, I want to make sure you have flavor on each part. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and share, because you know I got you guys.